Hi tech lovers, today we are putting 3 gaming beasts head to head, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D, 7800X3D and the latest 9800X3D. Let's see who performance has evolved across generation, from price to power to pure gaming speed. Release date: CPU type, instruction set, code name, interrogated GPU, process size, transistors, die size, total core, total threads, performance core, performance threads, frequency, turbo clock, base clock, multiplayer, multiplayer unlocked, thermal design power, L123 cache, memory type, max memory size, max memory bandwidth, ECC support, GPU base clock, GPU boost clock, shading units, texture mapping units, render output units, execution units, thermal graphics power. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.